Ndereti iria ikoretwo ikiyuia ciande ya minista uria urathurirwo kurugamirira mbeu njithi na mathako kaunti-ini ya Nyeri ni ikarirwo thi mbunge-ini yo kuria MCAs mekurutaga mirugamo itiganite.
How many other women had applied for that position, and more so from Teto? If she has integrity issues, if she has other issues besides the age, that is not the point. It's not about the age. It's about the integrity of that particular person.
I don't understand, Mr. Speaker, sir, how comes in the whole of Nyeri County, out of all the applicants who applied for that position, our governor gave Madam Sheila that opportunity.
MCA wa wadi ya Nyeri Kimwangi niwe watwarite riboti iyo akienda Sheila Githaiga kweherio gatagati-ini ka minista aria angi macaguritwo akiuga ndakinyaniire ikiro cia kumenya mathako na maundu ma andu ethi.
I have discovered that she doesn't augur well with the population that makes 70% of the population of this county. Mr. Speaker, I beg that we adopt this amendment for the sake of the youth of this county.
The candidates were qualified for the positions they were nominated for. It is a mixture. They are a mixture of the old and the new, with the oldest nominee being 65 years old and the youngest nominee being 31 years old.
Amwe makiendekithia ndakeherio na aria angi makiuga kuri andu ethi mangirugamirira mathako gutwikire Ndereti oni igaikarirwo thi ringi mwambiririo wa kiumia turorete. Inoro TV njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.